Hello students, this is the about your syllabus, okay, for your first online assessment. So just see what you have to prepare for the test. Basically you have to prepare the exercise portion, okay, from the reader textbook from lesson 1 to 3. As I have already told you that chapter number 1 to 3 is the only portion for your first pre-mid test. 3 chapters are there in reader and 3 in grammar, okay. So from this first chapter you have to learn the meanings and these exercises, okay. No need to prepare the question answers you have to prepare just like only the one word questions type, okay. And this here, this exercise, this kind of exercise, parts of a speech, it is there, no, I have given. So this you have to prepare. It can come like this: he thought of a wise plan, okay. So what you have to do, you have to identify the part of a speech of the underlined word, okay. There it will be written that whether it's an adverb or a verb, what it is. So whatever it's going to be the correct option, you have to choose that one. This you have to prepare. Then from the second chapter, as usual, that is the exercise and the meanings you have to learn. Then the exercises, this type of questions, okay, this you have to learn. Fill in the blanks. Then these about the countables and the uncountable. It can come like this: my bag is heavy, and bag is underlined, okay. So you have to identify the kind of noun of the bag, which noun it is. It is a countable or uncountable. So this kind of questions may come from this chapter also. Meanings, and then meanings plus this type, okay, that identify whether it's a sentence or not, this type of a question. And from this grammar type of questions can also be there, because already we have learned isn't a dash sentence make a statement. So in the option it will be written declarative or interrogative. So you have to identify that what they are called, that the sentence make a statement. So the sentence that make a statement, that is a declarative. So you have to choose the correct one, okay. In this way questions will come. Just like this one, this you have to learn, that identify the sentences, okay. This you have to prepare. Now from the grammar textbook, this sentence, gender, singular and plural, these 3 chapters are there for your first pre-mid, and this we have already completed, isn't? So from these 3 chapters also short questions type can come from this, as I told you, okay, that dash that declares something. So which kind of a sentence it is, you have to identify the kind of sentence. Gender means only the opposite gender you have to choose, okay. And maybe from the singular or plural. You have no need to prepare from the synonyms, antonyms and nothing, all these things, okay. So this you have to prepare. Yes, this gender you have to prepare, okay. It can come like what is the opposite gender of, for example, that is nephew, okay, or hostess. So like this kind of a question, that identify the kind of gender, okay. Basically gender you have to prepare thoroughly, because this portion we have already learned, isn't? And this you have learned also in your previous classes. So this you have to prepare. So these things you have to prepare for your online assessment test. Thank you.